To access cPanel through Namecheap, you will need to follow these steps. First, log into your Namecheap account by going to the Namecheap website and clicking on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username and password to access your account dashboard. Once you are logged in, click on the Hosting tab and then select the Manage option next to the domain you want to access. Cpanel 4. This will take you to the hosting management page where you will see various options and settings. For your domain, look for the cPanel option and click on it to access the cPanel login page. On this page, you will see your cPanel username and password, as well as a button to log in to cPanel. Click on the Log in to cPanel button to access the cPanel dashboard. Alternatively, you can also access cPanel directly by typing your domain name followed by 2083 in the address bar of your web browser. For example, your domain.com 2083. This will take you directly to the cPanel login page where you can enter your username and password to access the cPanel dashboard. When you log into cPanel, you will see a variety of tools and settings that allow you to manage your website, including file management, database management, and email management. Take some time to explore the different sections of cPanel and familiarize yourself with the various tools and settings available to you. It is also a good idea to change your cPanel password to something more secure, and to make sure that your cPanel username and password are not the same as your Namecheap account username and password. This will help to keep your website and data more secure. In summary, accessing cPanel through Namecheap is a straightforward process that requires you to log into your Namecheap account, navigate to the hosting management page, and click on the cPanel option to access the cPanel login page. From there, you can log into cPanel and start managing your website and data.